Let's review how to use the Return on Investment accordion on the business page of Toolkit.law. Select the Numbers section, then click on Business Page. Scroll down and open Return on Investment accordion title bar to open this resource. You'll see three main fields: initial investment, amount returned, and investment length. Enter your values, then select the desired time period, annual, quarterly, or monthly, to calculate results instantly. Use the equals button to generate your ROI percentage or the clear button to reset your entries. You can also undo or redo inputs, download your results for records, share securely with colleagues, or connect directly to Toolkit.law's productivity suite for seamless integration. Whether you're evaluating client fund returns, measuring case-related investments, or reviewing firm expenditures, the ROI accordion helps you make precise, data-driven financial decisions with ease. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Return on Investment accordion.